Today, let's see if chewing actually affects how fast your stomach can digest food. And since I don't have a fistula to put things straight into my stomach, I'm gonna use these effervescent cold reliefs. They're a lot like Alka-seltzers here, but they're cheaper. Each one of these is gonna represent my stomach, and we'll have one of them represent not chewing, one of them chewing a little bit, and one of them chewing thoroughly, just like your mom recommended. Let's get these ready. I'm curious how big these tabs are. There they are. Oh, look at that. They got my initials on them. How wonderful. This is gonna be our full one, no chewing. This one, let's chew a little bit. You know, you did the 5 or 6 chews and then you swallowed. We got some pieces there. And then this one, let's thoroughly chew like we should have. And I got an extra one, so I'll just eat that. Just kidding. Don't just eat pills. Thoroughly chewed. Good. So if you're wondering what this is, it's pretty much just baking soda and citric acid. And then when you react them, the baking soda gives the sodium to the acid, and then the hydrogen from the acid goes to the baking soda, and you get carbonic acid, and then that carbonic acid breaks down into your water and CO2. And that's what kind of bubbles and makes it all fizzy. And then they put in other random things to help you feel better, like aspirin. We'll put that one right there. Now, your stomach's a little acidic. I don't think you actually need to use vinegar, but I'm gonna try. Maybe it'll help. So I got some 5% distilled vinegar. Put about 100 mils in each one. Smells wonderful. Great. And the great thing about this reaction is it's pretty safe. If you use water, it's really safe, unless you're using like a Mr. Beast quantity in your closet, then you could probably get yourself in trouble. But normal circumstances, pretty safe. Vinegar, mildly acidic. You could wash it off if you got a little bit on you. So this is one you could definitely try at home. All right, I need to try to do this simultaneously, and I need a third hand. I got an idea. I have no idea if this will work. I didn't thoroughly think this through. Those right there. Try to do a little inertia action here. And here's my powder. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this. You ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm so excited that worked. Almost as much as the experiment. Whoa, look at this one here. That is really going fast. So the stomach here is really digesting that quickly. We got a lot of surface area exposed. This one here, second. We see this one's still going. This one's still going too. So we just about finished up right here. That's great. Chewing your food. Releasing that CO2. This one's just about done. So a few chews. It took a few seconds longer here. And then this one's finishing up. Look at that, nice and getting pretty clear. This one's starting to clear up. Whoa, do not swallow your food whole. Look how long it's taken that to digest. That's pretty nifty. Here's the results as I saw them. When we chewed our food a lot, like Mom said, it broke down the quickest. That's like the hydrochloric acid having a lot of surface area to work on whatever it is that you just ate. When you didn't chew your food a lot, the food still broke down fairly quickly, but it did take longer. And my guess is that would be a little harder on your stomach and maybe don't get as much digestion when it gets into your small intestine. Not super sure. Haven't tested the fecal matter on that one. Someone else try that. And then this one here where you don't chew hardly at all, this one took significantly longer. than the one where we chew a lot, and a little bit longer than this one here. And so that suggests that it does take quite a bit longer to digest when you're not chewing a lot. So my recommendation, chew a lot, probably a little easier on your stomach, maybe a little better on absorption. I'm gonna do another experiment right now, and it'll pop up right here. Flemdog Science with me, Caleb Fleming.